Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marge Rufo. For today's video, I will give you an update about dun sa aking ininvest last year, noong November. Nag-upload ako ng video. Makikita somewhere there or here. Basta kung saan man dyan, nandyan siya. You may click that para mapanood ninyo kung ano yung ininvest ko doon. Actually, it's a restaurant from Davao City. Yes, i-reveal na nga natin. Well, bago ko i-reveal, please mag-subscribe ka muna sa aking YouTube channel and pakihit na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka every time may bago tayong video. At yun na nga guys, ang aking ipinag-investan is, yes, it's a restaurant business in Davao at parang ang tawag sa'yo doon yung nag-invest ka, you are a co-owner or co-ownership. So, nag-invest ako doon. The name of that restaurant is Kamayo Restaurant. At yun, dun nga sa video ko, makikita nyo yung contract namin, kung magkano yung return of investment ko. So, I will give you an update kung may na-receive na ba ako na profit kasi naka 6 months na rin ako actually. Lumipas na yung 6 months. Now papunta na ako sa next 6 months o sa pangalawang 6 months. So yung first month ko ba, may na-receive ba ako? At nakuha ko ba kaagad? At paano ko siya nakuha? At yun ang sasagutin ko if you keep on watching. Bago ko sagutin yun, una muna guys, ang ininvest ko, reveal ko na rin kung magkano ang ininvest ko. I invested 25,000 pesos. Yun yung pinaka-minimum amount nila. Bakit ako nag-invest doon? Tinry ko about co-ownership kasi naging interested ako about sa co-ownership ko. And paano nga natin matatry kung legit siya, kung hindi mo siya ita-try kung hindi ka mag-i-invest. Though, I know it's a risk. Lahat naman ng investment is a risk. Lagi ko sinasabi yan, it's a risk. So, I invested at my own risk. Kasi meron akong extra ganong amount and then in-invest ko siya. So, ang tanong, nakuha ko ba sa first 6 months ko yung 10% per month ko na in-invest ko doon kay Kamayo Restaurant? Well, the answer is yes. Nakuha ko naman yung aking 10%. Okay, 10% na yon sa loob ng 6 months. So, syempre naipon siya. 10% ng 25,000 is 25 times 6. So, nakuha ko yung 15,000. Pero, meron kasi siyang deduction. At makikita nyo naman dito. I will show you the screenshot of it. Nandito lang naman siya. At ayun, makikita nyo yung deduction. Merong, yes, it is 2,500 times 6 is equal to 15,000 less merong 200 for courier fee kasi yun siguro yung pinadala nila sa akin nung last time yung contract ko, and 250 for notarial fee, so 450. So ang na-receive ko na lang is after na lesson is 14,550. Paano ko siya na-receive? Well, bago ko siya sagutin kung paano ko siya na-receive, well actually I want to give my review. Syempre, nung May ko siya dapat ma-receive. May 31, I follow up kasi November I invested. So, nag-run na yan ng December, January, February, March, April, May. So, supposedly, dapat ma-receive ko siya end of May. May 31, sabi na nag-follow up kasi ako noon. Sabi na by May 31, marireceive ko daw. So, na-receive ko ba? The question ng na-receive ko ba is, hindi ko na-receive siya on May 31. At ito yung kanilang message sa akin. Yan yung in-screenshot ko na lang para at least diba clear. So, I waited for that day. So, sabihin natin 7 to 10 days. Kung kailan ko siya na-receive, actually not on the 10th day. If I were going to count, siguro sabihin natin hindi na in-include yung Saturday, Sunday. Pero, syempre, as an investor, nag-expect ka na ma-receive mo siya that day. Pero, okay, hindi ko siya na-receive, but I do the follow-up. Okay, I want to be honest, nag-follow up ako sa kanila at medyo kinabahan ako baka hindi ko ma-receive. I do the follow up and then, ayun nga, on June 11, doon ko na-receive yon. And I receive it through GCash. Itong amount na to, ayan, since yan yung amount na yan at na-budget ko na yan mga guys, mga ate, mga kuya, mga Mars, na-budget ko na yung amount na yan. So, I'm waiting na lang ngayon for the pangalawang 6 months ko by November na yon. Plus, syempre, yung return of capital ko na siya. So, I will give you an update doon sa magiging next na return of investment ko, pati yung capital ko, kung nakuha ko na ba. I will give you an update on that. Kung tatanungin nyo ako, is it a legit business? Totoo ba yung about co-ownership? Yes, totoo naman, but you have to do your own research, invest at your own risk. Yun na lang. So, that's for today's video. Yan ang update ko. See you on my next video na lang. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka every time may bago tayong video. Bye!